Your lesson essential question is, why do we sometimes need to regroup when we subtract? So we are going to be using regrouping with subtraction. You know, when we subtract, we take a smaller number away from a bigger number. In addition, when you regrouped, it was because your ones, when you added them together, were more than 10. So you were able to move that 10 over to the tens place. In subtraction, we need to borrow tens or take a 10 away because we don't have enough ones to take away a smaller number. So we will be taking away a 10 and moving it over to the ones spot. Let me show you what I mean. So I have 34 minus 6. Now, when I'm trying to solve 34 minus 6, I know that 6 is smaller than 34, but I also know when I try to take 6 ones away from 4, I don't have 6 ones. So what I need to do is I need to regroup or borrow a 10. So I'll take a 10 and I'll turn it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all I did was I regrouped a 10. Now I can take away 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All I need to do now is see what I have left. So I've got 1, 2, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So my answer is 28.